Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. My dear student, today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 5. From chapter 5, we shall solve C.B.Q. number 3. My dear student, today is our lecture number 43 of annual term, and it's a good news for you, there is no SW today. So at first we read the question. C.B.Q. number 3. Here you notice 60 kg rice, 40 kg flour and 32 kg pulse are bought for distributing among some flood affected family. That means 60 kg rice, 40 kg flour and 32 kg pulse are bought for distributing among some flood affected families. Question number A, by using this information we shall solve question number A, B and C. Question number A, what is the largest number of families among whom rice and flour can be divided equally? Okay. So question number B, what is the largest number of families among whom rice, pulse and flour can be divided equally? Question number C, if the quantity of pulse is having 12 kg less, then what is the largest number of families among whom rice, pulse and flour can be divided equally? So we do question number A first. What is the question? What is the largest number of families among whom rice and flour can be divided equally? My dear student, notice amount of rice is what? 60 kg and amount of flour what? 40 kg. So first of all we write given that. Given that amount of rice is 60 kg and amount of flour is 40 kg. So my dear students, now what is the largest number of families? If this is largest, then what will we do now? My dear student, if largest is here, as largest is here, so we do HCF. We do HCF of amount of rice and amount of flour, okay, and we get the largest number of families, okay. So now write the HCF of 60 and 40 will be the largest number of family. Largest number of families. Okay. Now we find HCF by using prime factorization method. Notice which number divide both numbers 60 and 40. 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 0. 2 2s are 4 and 0. Again you notice 30 and 20 both is divided by 2 again. 15 2s are 13 and 10 2s are 20. Now notice 15 even number, 15 odd number and 10 is even number. So we can divide both number by 2. Then we take 3. 3 can divide 15 but not 10. So we can take 5. Okay, 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So here you notice there is no common prime factor between 3 and 2. So 2 5 2 2 and 5's product will be the HCF. Now write HCF of 60 and 40 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the largest number of families will be 20. Write therefore the largest number of families will be 20. So answer 20 families. I hope you have understood question number A. My dear student, question number B is similar as question number A. Here you notice, what is the largest number of families among whom rice, pulse and flour can be divided equally? So just like that, at first we write here amount of rice what, amount of pulse what, amount of flour what. After that we find out the HCF of the required number and we get the largest number of families, just like this one. Okay, so I erase this to solve question number B. First of all, we write, given that amount of rice is 60 kg, then we write amount of flour is 40 kg and amount of pulse is pulse is 32 kg. So my dear students, how can we find out the answer? We do HCF of these three numbers and we get the required number of families. So write the HCF of 60, 40 and 32 will be the largest number of families. Okay, then we find out the HCF of 60, 40 and 32. My dear students, all numbers are even numbers, so it must be divided by 2. So we divide 60 by 2 and we get 30. We divide 40 by 2, we get 20. We divide 32 by 2, we get 16. Okay, again you notice 30, 20 and 60, the three numbers are even number. For this reason is also divided by 2. 15 2s are 13, 10 2s are 20 and 8 2s are 16. Now my dear students, we can take only the prime number. So here you notice 15 is odd number, so it can divide by 2. We can take 3, but 3 can divide 15 alone, and 10, 8 cannot be divided by 3. Then take 5, 5 can divide 15 and 10 but not 8. Then we take 5, 7, 7 cannot divide any number. So the HCF of 60, 40 and 32 will be the product of these two and these two. Okay, so now write HCF of 60, 40 and 32 is 2 multiply 2, then we get 2 2s are 4 and it is the required number of families. So write here therefore the largest number of families is 4, and now we write answer 4 families. Okay, I hope you have understood. Similar as question number A, but here one information is added with the previous one. Amount of pulse is 32. Okay, my dear student, next we shall solve question number C. if the quantity of pulse is having 12 kg less than, what is the largest number of families among whom the rice, pulse and flour can be divided equally? My dear students, it's also same as question number A and B, but you notice here an extra information is given. If the quantity of pulse is having 12 kg less, that means the amount of pulse is 12 kg less. So we subtract this 12 kg from this 32 kg and we get 22 kg. So then we find out the HCF of 60 kg, 40 kg and that subtraction, that means 20 kg pulse, okay, and we get the required number of largest families. So easy. So in order to solve this question, at first I write questions C and erase. This part is needed to solve question number C. So I do not erase this, okay. Given that amount of rice is 60 kg, amount of flour is 40 kg and amount of pulse is 32 kg. But an extra information is given, which is the quantity of pulse is having 12 kg less. So I write here, if amount of pulse is 12 kg less, then amount of pulse will be 32 minus 12 kg, then it will be 20 kg. Now my dear students, we find out the HCF of this 60 kg, 40 kg and 20 kg and we get the required number of families. Now we write the HCF of 60, 40 and 20 will be the largest number of families, okay. Now I find out this HCF by using prime factorization method. So 60, 40 and 20. Dear students, we divide these three numbers by whose number? As 60, 40 and 20, the three numbers are even number, so this three number can divide by the number 2 and 2 is a prime number also. So 2, if I divide 60 by 2 then I get 3, if I divide 40 by 2 then I get 20, if I divide 20 by 2 we get 10. Again notice 30, 20 and 10, they are even numbers, so it's also divided by 2. 15 2s are 13, 10 and 5. Okay, now notice 15, 10 and 5, these three numbers is divided by the number 5, which is also prime number. So if I divide 15 by 5 then I get 3, if I divide 10 by 5 then I get 2, if I divide 5 by 5 I get 1. Now my dear students, we notice there is no common divisor among 3, 2, 1, which is prime number, okay. So the product of 5, 2 and 2 will be the HCF of this three number. Now write HCF of 60, 40 and 20 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So my dear students, what will be the largest number of families? Largest number of families is 20, and finally we write answer 20 families. My dear students, do you notice how easy the question is? Okay, if you solve this math one times or two times, then you can't forget this. Okay, forget this. So my dear student, you must practice this chapter very carefully. Okay, you must practice this chapter very carefully. If you face any problem to solve this chapter, you may make a phone call to me. My phone number is given on the board. So my dear students, there is no SW today, but you must practice this C.B.Q very carefully. Okay, so my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.